Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And stocks are trading higher after erasing slight losses earlier in the session as the Senate voted to resume full government operations. And we're taking a look at the S&P 500, which is currently up 0.5% on the day after hitting record highs of 2,825.91 earlier today, and it's right above those levels now. Telecommunications and energy are the best sectors for the S&P 500 currently. Looking at our level to watch at 2,682.36, a move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Currently, chart analysis score stands at plus 100. Moving along to the Dow, again hit another record high at 26,164.72 with a chart analysis score plus 100. Currently up about 0.2% on the day, or a little over 70 points at its high. Currently trading at 26,137.88. Boeing is the big winner in the Dow today. It was up over 1% earlier in the session. Key level to watch will be 24,471.70. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Moving along to the NASDAQ, again a record high. Now I know I sound like a broken record. Currently trading at 7,385.98 with a chart analysis score plus 100. Currently up 0.7% on the day. The leader of the three indexes. Key level to watch is 6,924.08. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Look at the dollar index, currently trading around $90.30, down a little over 0.1% on the day overall. Chart analysis score remains negative 85, and our key level to watch remains 92.36. A move above that level would give a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Crude oil, we did move to the March contract on expiration over the weekend. Currently trading at 63.30, down about 0.3% on the day with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that the short-term time frame is in a sidelines mode, but overall long-term the trend is still up for crude oil. The key level to watch would be 64.13. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position for a short-term time frame for crude oil. And gold, much like crude oil, still down on the day, almost relatively unchanged. Chart analysis score remains plus 75, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the short-term time frame for gold. However, the long-term trend is still up. Key level to watch for gold will be 1,338.20. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move to a long position on the short-term time frame for gold. We'll back that out. We'll take a look at Bitcoin, where it stands using the CME real-time index, down about 8% today. Trading around that 10,600 level, was as low as 10,300. Chart analysis scores negative 60, indicating we are in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. Key level to watch remains 17,090.52. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a long position for Bitcoin. And we'll take a look at Netflix real quick. Just it's hitting all-time highs as they're expecting earnings after the close of the market today. And we'll go to our internet portfolio. And as you can see, it's up 2.6% on the day with the chart analysis score plus 100 here. And we'll take a look. Currently trading right up above that high after hitting a high of 227 earlier in the day. Again, chart analysis score plus 100. Green trade triangles across the board on our entry at 192.64 on a green weekly trade triangle in conjunction with that green monthly trade triangle. Really impressive run up for Netflix to start the year. Be interesting to see what their earnings does to stock, as oftentimes Netflix will really gap one way or the other depending on how earnings go out. So definitely keep an eye on that after the market closed today. With that, every success. Have a great trading week. I'll be back midweek to give you an update.